Thanks for taking a look at Snowflake for your data warehouse workloads. Organizations build data warehouses to store and centralize massive amounts of data generated across their organization. The goal is to perform fast analytics and reporting on this data, so analysts and business users can make accurate data-driven decisions. Finally, they want to accomplish this with a data warehouse that is low maintenance and low cost. But traditional data warehouses pose challenges that prevent organizations from accomplishing these goals. Database administrators spend considerable time trying to manually tune their warehouses for fast performance at scale, but performance issues are ever present. DBAs also spend a significant amount of time on routine maintenance activities. And due to the scale and speed issues of traditional data warehouses, analytical and business intelligence tools are slow and delayed, resulting in limited users running limited analytics off incomplete data. Enter Snowflake, the cloud data platform. With Snowflake, all the structured and semi-structured data across your organization can be stored once in a single solution to power a wide range of workloads, including data warehouse, data lake, data engineering, data science, and data sharing. The result is your data can be used to service a wide range of data consumers to improve your organization. Snowflake runs on all three major clouds, giving you the flexibility to work with the provider of your choice. Snowflake solves the challenges of traditional data warehouses. It automatically handles performance tuning at scale with automatic query caching and optimization, micropartitions, and more. Snowflake also automatically handles remedial DBA activities like storage allocation, capacity planning, scaling resources, encryption, and seamless backups and upgrades. This automation also improves system reliability and uptime, so DBAs can spend time on higher value activities, like locating and onboarding new data sources for the business. Lastly, Snowflake's near unlimited storage, scale, and speed means analysts can run any query at any time, off current and complete data, and get back answers fast. Complementing Snowflake is an extensive and ever-expanding ecosystem of deeply integrated business intelligence, ETL, and data governance partners. Snowflake has thousands of delighted data warehouse customers, including Cap Specialty, which has seen tremendous value in the scale and speed of Snowflake. Monthly reports that used to take 2 to 3 days now only take 45 minutes. That's 120 times faster. They make better decisions by analyzing more data, including semi-structured data. They have no resource contention between queries and ETL jobs. Also, their data warehouse staff is no longer overburdened and performs essentially zero maintenance on Snowflake. To see how Snowflake's cloud data platform can transform your organization's use of data, sign up for a free trial today.